pain reliever every day to get up. And sometimes I cannot even do work because of I always feel dizzy and I always feel weak. But I tried Himuhim at that August 13. Begin that day, I never stopped. And because of that Himuhim, I'm here in your front standing, strong, and always fight. And I always use Himuhim every day, non-stop. And now, I can walk well, I can bend my back, I can use my hands, and I feel so strong every day. So the pain I always have before, every wake up, now everything is gone. So my doctor always say, what you did? Why you're so strong now? And no pain at all. I said, I have a secret. And I showed him the product of the Himuhim. And he told me, whatever you're doing right now, just do it. Because I cannot see you, I cannot tell you to stop if this is help you. So all my family using Himuhim every day. Thank you so much. And try all the product of Himuhim so you can feel the power of all products in our company. Thank you so much. See you at the top, all opponents.